Cover's looking pretty good on all of them.
That's close on the pearl. It's still not a home run.
That's pretty good right there. I'm matching the pearl. Let it bake out in the sun for a while. It should bring the pearl up some more. You getting it in on the camera?
Yeah.
That's back. This is mixing 50-50, the base and the candy, and then putting the candy over
the top.
Over the top. Maybe a little less of the candy.
Yeah, gotta get the flake on top.
That's pretty good. That'll darken up a little bit.
Remember, that wasn't, none of that was body work. That's done. You know, both sides. We got both of those already clean. Getting it close, man. Getting it close. Now we can go.
question is, we should put more candy on it or not.
Shit, that bitch look identical. If you come right here and see it from this angle and look right at it, factory have 11 rib and the Wagner Serpentine has a 10. So you got to change the top and the bottom pulley. But the bottom is the bolt. First off, we want to give you guys thanks for the support. We noticed all of the views, so for the guys that's out there looking at the number of guys that viewed it, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. That's what kind of grows the channel, get us out there to the masses where we really can keep pumping it out. Good facts for y'all, knowledge and everything that you guys look for to us to do for you guys. So don't forget that, like and subscribe, maybe share, and send us the comments. I've been noticing the comments. I kind of been responding, giving y'all a little love for that as well. So big kudos for that. But we back at it, let's not hold back. no further ado, you can see this brand new LT5 motor that was just taken apart. We're actually about to paint it. Me and Justin is about to lift up the manifold. Just basic stuff. We're gonna paint it like we painted these cars. Probably gonna do a little twist different. We're probably not gonna paint the heads, being that everything else, the block, the transmission, the base of the supercharger, as well as the lid, we're gonna paint. So that's next. As you can see, the frame is actually on the rotisserie. A lot of the body work has already been started. We just gotta sand it down and get it inside, because this will be painted slick too. You see all the suspension is off. We got all of the, filters and everything lined up what we want to do. We did notice a little bit on the front K-member how the drain plug, the LT5 got two different drain plugs. The front drain plug was a little bit close, so we're gonna open that up a little more for clearance, and then it'll be ready for paint. So Dante and Mr. Tom been going ham on the bottom side of the car. Just knowing that we're gonna paint it slick. They treated it kind of like the outside, so any pits or anything like that, as you guys seen before, they was going over finding them. Just doing a little fine tuning, up front as well as, under the bottom of it and in the back, so, hopefully this week, they still got to sand this down and prime it probably at least one more time up front. And then that'll be ready for paint, but we're probably gonna paint the firewall, the body of it, and the jams, cut all of that in now. Once we do all of the painting, then we'll once the frame is painted, motor painted, we'll put all of that together, final assembly with the suspension, the rear end, everything dialed in. Because once that's done, it won't come apart again. We'll go ahead and, bring the body down to it, and then that'll be final assembly. So